a wonderful. Hey guys, so I just got a new comforter and new pillows, and I'm really over this like colorful pink, orange, yellow thing I got going on. So I want to redo my bedroom, and I have those two things to start. And yeah, but I need to clean my room first because it's a disaster. So we're gonna start by cleaning it up. I'm not really gonna show you guys because I've done a cleaning my room video before, and sorry about this appearance. But yeah, let's just get on into cleaning my room. I look so bad. So I kind of want to like move my furniture around because I don't know, I can't decide. I kind of want to move my desk like in front of my window. I don't know, man. I don't know. When I decide, I'll get back to you. I have decided I'm gonna move my bed, like shift it, you know? I don't know, but you'll see, you'll see. I moved it. I'm gonna move stuff around now, like my mirror. This comforter is really soft. It's from Home Goods. So I moved like everything that I did around. This is not staying. I want to move that still. But here's where I put my desk, up against the window, because that's what I wanted. And then I moved my bed into like the middle of my room. That's not staying there, but yes, I just removed all of that. So yeah, woo. So I moved this, and I moved the mirror to the wall that you're like kind of, you can't see. And now I'm going to like fill this with cute clothes. Okay. I finished my room. I look totally terrible, and I thought, I was like, oh, I gotta buy so much stuff, but there's really not anything that I need to buy to complete this room, unless I want to buy like maybe another throw pillow or like a different throw blanket, but everything kind of fits and goes really well, and it totally looks different. So now I'm going to do a room tour. Let's get into it. Ready? So walking in, this is the view. That's like the first thing you see when you walk in is yourself, and the mess behind me of all my like old bedding. But basically my curtains and lights are totally the same, still burnt out, but yeah, my mirror is over here now. From Target, I got it for Christmas. Oh, mirrors from Home Goods. These are from Home Goods, I think. Lights, Target, that, Hobby Lobby. Okay. And then got the shelf at Home Depot, and then just little miscellaneous things. But then over here, I have, this is next to my door, laundry basket. It's huge, but like fits perfect right there. I was like, oh my gosh, yes. I have my keys hanging right by my door along with my 4 belts, but the 4 belts go always in my clothing rack. I just think they pair well because, you know, clothes. I have this map here still because I'm not about to take it down, because if you can see from the side, there's hella pins in it, so that's not going down ever. Right there, and that's directly in front of my bed. And then walking over here, guitar, just because it doesn't really matter where it goes. I don't play it, it's just here for decorative reasons. And in this corner is kind of my like camera stuff in a box, and yeah, this is ugly, but whatever. And then I have this light up wall, and then, oh, I forgot to mention this thing, it's probably from like Home Goods or something. And then here's my desk. Desk is from Target, lights are from like Walmart, I think. And I tried to really make it simple. I didn't want to put as much stuff as I had before. So I have like my makeup brushes, foundation, that stuff. I have a thing of flowers, a candle my boyfriend made me. I have the little chair. It spins and goes up and down, and it's pink. I have my little like pillow to sit up on my bed when I watch Netflix or YouTube. And then in this like other basket that I have like my makeup bag with my everyday makeup, perfumes and candles, my brush, and just kind of stuff that was here that I didn't want because I didn't want it to look so cluttered. And then phone charger and my camera battery charger. So you guys, that is my new bedroom. It's not super new, it's really just my bed, but I think the bed changes the whole look because it's like the centerpiece of the bedroom. Bed, you know. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me redecorate my room and this little room tour. If you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more of me in my new room. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. See you later.